taking an up-close look at medical simulators. Ladies Island Middle School's MedTech 7 Medical Magnet Cohort is at the Beaufort Memorial Hospital's Training Center. A clinical instructor is guiding the students through the state-of-the-art simulation labs, which feature lifelike mannequins designed to mimic real medical scenarios.
We have 4 simulation rooms. One of them is our pregnant mother simulation machine. Her name is Victoria, and she has a belly to be able to feel the baby. We've got Super Tori, who's our infant mannequin. We have Hal, who is our trauma ICU mannequin. And then we have Susie, who's our geriatric patient. And then we have Lincoln, who is our little pediatric mannequin.
The students are asking lots of questions as they experience each simulation room. They also had the chance to listen to lung and heart sounds and practice administering CPR.
My favorite was probably Susan because she felt really real, and like the IV and stuff, and like her heart rate. And I also like the CPR, like compressions on like the computer, on how it tells you how deep you're going and like her heart rate and all that stuff.
I learned how to check pulse inside the wrist and how to give compressions and breaths if they go into cardiac arrest.
I like the dummies because they could speak, and they also had simulation of their pulse, and also the baby could cry, so you could kind of see how it was.
These simulators provide healthcare professionals with the opportunity to learn and train in a highly realistic clinical setting.
These simulators they're so realistic that you could apply the same pads that you would put on a regular patient, and they'll actually pick up the same cardiac rhythm. Your heart sounds and your lung sounds are the exact same as they would be in a real patient. So a patient that's having an asthma attack, you can hear that on these simulators in the same way that you would hear it on a real patient.
The students are excited to be touring the simulation labs and to be getting a first-hand look at the opportunities they could pursue in college and as part of their future careers.
We are a MedTech school, and it is important for us to know how it is so then we can get ready for college. And then if we feel like we want to do nursing or we want to be in any career that has to do with health science, we can come here and know the simulations and how we can get better at it.
To get us prepared for the medical line, and that way we can go to college and medical schools.
The students spent about an hour in the simulation labs. In Beaufort, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.